Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Runner Island in Dragon City. To begin, your main goal is to collect as many coins as possible while skillfully avoiding various obstacles. You'll need to master 4 basic movements: swiping left or right to change lanes, swiping up to jump over gaps and low barriers, and swiping down to slide under taller obstacles. Practice these moves to build your reflexes and improve your score. Let's dive into the strategies for success. Next, let's talk about the crucial power-ups that appear throughout the island. Collecting these items can significantly boost your performance. The magnet, for instance, automatically pulls in all coins around you for a few seconds, maximizing your collection. The shield provides invaluable protection, allowing your dragon to withstand one collision without ending your run. And the speed boost, as its name suggests, temporarily increases your dragon's movement, helping you cover more ground quickly. Use them wisely. Now, let's focus on the challenges you'll face. The obstacles. The island is filled with various hazards designed to test your agility. You'll encounter spikes and fire traps that demand precise jumps or slides to avoid. Moving platforms require careful timing to land safely and continue your run. Always be vigilant for gaps and edges, as falling off the island will immediately end your attempt. Staying focused and anticipating these dangers is key to a long run. Finally, let's discuss how to achieve those impressive high scores. To maximize your points, always strive to collect every coin and gem you see. Don't forget to complete the daily quests, as they offer substantial bonus rewards that can help you progress faster. Consistent practice is essential. The more you play, the better your reaction time and overall skill will become. Aim for perfect, flawless runs to unlock special achievements and truly master Runner Island. Good luck, Dragon Master!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.